I have to put the sugar bag here in the container.
Coming.
So I'm here holding eggs. Akayoa Albertson, he's got that sugar bag. Yeah, yeah.
This one. Qua.
Qua. Yilyakwa.
Come here, look, filming here.
Go,
Inside, you can see it there.
That's Yilyakwa.
Right there.
That's sugar bag. We call Yilyakwa. If you see black nose coming out from the tree, you know next time there's a big sugar bag inside the tree. So Akayoa gonna knock this tree. I'm the one second shot with the pankanya. Yeah. Itu orang apa ni?
Apa yang anda nak cakap apa?
Ini nak kira modal ya deh, jadi. Ini, apa ni? Punya orang dia ni ya. Ini kan kira Yilyakwa. So I'm gonna get sugar bag with this spoon and put it here, container. Go. Yeah. Hey, come to Korea ba?
Không đâu có đi làm này.
Yeah.
Bác lên có rồi nó ba. Take all that.
Go.
See it? Old people long time ago, they used to use them rock eggs
for knocking all the trees. People still. Arak papa? Ya kay bây giờ kin mang mang. One another one more. Ya ba kayo man yan?
I'm gonna take this one out and then we're going back to the camp. Back to Murugu. So we can eat it with damper. You know, we can eat it anyway.